So, how's the new job treating you? You survived your first week, right?
Barely. It's been a lot. You know that feeling when you're trying to act confident but you have no idea what you're doing?
Oh, totally. That's like every Monday for me. So, what's the job actually like?
It's a mix of excitement and chaos. The people are nice, but everyone moves at lightning speed. I'm still trying to remember everyone's names.
Classic. Did you at least find your desk without getting lost?
Only after walking into the wrong office, twice. Apparently there are two break rooms that look identical. I just pretended I was exploring company culture.
Smooth recovery. So, what's your team like?
My boss is great. She's super driven but actually listens. The rest of the team is friendly. There's this one guy, Chris, who knows everything about everything. He's been showing me shortcuts in all the design software.
That's the kind of coworker you keep close. Coffee buddy and unofficial IT support.
Exactly. I owe him at least 3 coffees already. But you know what surprised me the most?
What's that?
How much I'm doubting myself. Like I spent weeks preparing for this job, and now that I'm here, I keep thinking, what if they realize I'm not good enough?
Ah, imposter syndrome. Welcome to adulthood. Everyone feels that way. Even the people who look like they have it all together.
Yeah, I guess so. Still, it's exhausting pretending I know what's going on.
You don't have to pretend all the time, though. It's okay to ask questions. People actually respect that. You know what's worse than asking? Staying silent and struggling.
True. My boss did say she'd rather I ask twice than make an avoidable mistake. I'm just trying not to look clueless.
You're not clueless. You're new. There's a difference. The fact that you care enough to learn means you'll do great.
Thanks, Jamie. I needed that. I've been so in my head lately, like over-analyzing every email I send.
Oh, please. I once spent 20 minutes deciding whether to use best or regards. You'll loosen up soon. It's all about finding your rhythm.
Yeah, maybe you're right. I think part of it is that I want to prove I belong there.
And you will. Just take it one day at a time. You don't have to be perfect, just consistent.
You're kind of like my unofficial life coach, you know that?
I'll send you my hourly rate later. But seriously, celebrate the small wins. What's something that actually went well this week?
Well, I presented a campaign idea during the meeting yesterday, and my boss said she really liked it. She even asked me to expand on it next week.
That's huge, Alex. See, you're already making an impression.
Yeah, I guess I am. I walked out of that meeting trying not to smile too hard.
As you should. That's the kind of momentum that builds confidence. And when you hit a rough day, just remember that win.
You always make things sound simpler.
Not simpler, just clearer. You've got this. You're where you're supposed to be. Trust the process.
Thanks, Jamie. Seriously, I don't know what I'd do without these pep talks.
You'd probably still be fine. But hey, everyone needs a cheerleader sometimes. How about a refill on coffee to celebrate your first successful week?
Deal. And this time, I'm buying. It's the least I can do for my motivational coach.
Finally. I knew this friendship would pay off one day.